Is Bitcoin going to top out at 99K and then collapse? It could, but not likely. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is DaVinci Jeremy. I'm in the pipe 5x5, staying here in Dubai. Man, I hope you're doing well in this 99K day of Bitcoin. And will it pass its big fat round number of 100K, the 100K dream? We're going to be talking about that and more in today's episode. And yeah, you got to be careful with these big fat round numbers, right? It's an easy bet to say, yeah, it's going to pass. But a lot of people are betting on that. And so when there's an asymmetrical bet, things could turn very, very ugly very fast. So we're going to talk about that and more in today's episode, right, with you, and also doing some TA as well. If you're interested in looking at some TA and doing some trades, because we do have some awesome trades that we did make yesterday. If you did make those trades yesterday, congratulations, and we're going to show you those trades. But if you missed it, you can always sign up at bybit.davincij15.com. If you don't have ID, right, or your government is saying, you are not allowed to have some crypto. No. Here you go. Now you can set up some Palau ID and buy crypto, right? Because, hey, we're going to show you in the news why everyone has a right to buy crypto. Okay. Once again, I'm going to be heading over to Abu Dhabi, December 9th to the 10th. If you want some, discounts on the tickets, 10% off, head over to, to the links in the description below. Use my coupon code of DaVinci, and you can get 10% off. Okay. DAVITARs. Yeah, I'm still supporting my DAVITARs, and if you register your DAVITAR, you can show it off, right, in my public group. And if there's a number of people doing that, right, owning a DAVITAR, registering it, and showing it off, right. So, for example, whenever I type something here in the public group, right, you could see my DAVITAR show up, right. So, oops, I wonder if, there you go. So if I put in like the news for today, then, my DAVITAR shows up, and your DAVITAR could show up, and you could actually put in a custom note, right, for your DAVITAR. So you could learn how to do that and gain some free waffles by clicking on this video right here, which I talk about that. Okay, so let's move on to our DGen corner, or next gen corner, actually. Whew, well, damn. Waffle Orc, right? Finally, I think Orc has finally found to turn a corner here, right? You can see that we are reversing, right, this downtrend, right? And we can see things the reverse here. Same with Waffles, right? We are not going to touch this red line. We're going to move up from here, probably close this band a little bit, and then boom, off we go. Wowing is wow mowing. Wow. Pay stuck in this range, but the range is going to get broken, and when it does get broken, right, we're going to see it, head to its all-time highs, right? If we do a Fibonacci sequence, right, yeah, the 61.8 is closer to its previous highs, right, where there was a little bit of a head and shoulders here pattern that dumped this all the way down. So we're probably going to retest that area and see what it does from there. So that's coming. If you don't have your PayPay ready, well, I'm going to show you something in the news that will shock the heck out of you. Okay? And you'll be running to buy some PayPay, right now. Okay, with that said, let's move on. This is the news that we're going to be discussing. Links is in the description. You can join our Telegram group to see all these news links. Let's start off with Bitcoin's 100K dream. How close are we to crypto's biggest milestone? It says here on my price here, we're at, let's see here. Does this refresh? No, there we go. Less than $900 away. That's how close, right? So, as Bitcoin edges towards 100K, is this the start of a larger bull run? Why are you asking that question? It started already. You missed it. You missed that. Or will the market volatility derail the momentum for both Bitcoin and altcoins? Well, first off, I want you to know that Bitcoin has, right, during the bull run, anywhere from 20 to 40% corrections. This is normal, so be prepared, right? Bitcoin has been on a tear lately. Really? I didn't notice. Smashing past milestones like they were minor speed bumps. Wow, that's impressive, I guess. Right? Bitcoin has never done that before. Oh, wait, yes, it has. As of November 21, it's trading at an eye-watering 97K level after hitting its all-time time of 98.35. No, now that's nine. Sorry, it's right here. 99,131. So now it's a little bit higher now. It's 99,200. And yeah, so if you're like, dude, this video didn't age well. Well, let's just see. Because here's the thing, right? Keep in mind, big fat round numbers. A lot of people like wait for that for their sell signal. And because traders know that, they could start shorting this like crazy. Now, with that said, they could get burned, right? If they start shorting before the 100K and, buyers just come in like heavy, they get burned, right? And there's a massive, what's called a short squeeze that causes them to buy. And then we see it explode higher, right? So that's also a possibility. So one of the possibilities is that we fail, bust just before the 100K, or another possibility is that we explode higher, way higher. So keep that in mind. So be careful with your bets. Make sure your trades have stop losses and so forth, because either direction is a possibility. All right, with that said, U.S. Bitcoin ETF assets break $100 billion. Well, congratulations to all the ETFs out there. Ownership is 9/10 of the law. Since you guys own the Bitcoin and not your buyers, you're winning. Hey, you know what? You gave them pieces of paper to buy a real asset to hold for you. And legally, it belongs to them. And legally, they are only forced to give you paper. To give you, right, paper that they can print. That's it. They don't have to give you the asset itself, right? So if Bitcoin becomes money, and nobody wants dollars for their Bitcoin, you're in a little bit of a pickle. Just saying. Just saying. Okay? So please be careful when you own the Bitcoin ETF. Make sure you have some Bitcoin, actual Bitcoin, in your possession. Okay, Solana ETF talks progressing as the SEC report. Okay, so I'm not going to go over the report here, right? But that's great. We're gonna see an ETF now that Gary Gensler's fired. So it's coming. So make sure you have some Solana, and because I've been telling you, Solana is going to explode because people want to invest, right? They want to invest in the meme coin cycles, and most likely not to invest directly in a particular meme. But if you want to invest in some memes, here's a couple right here, right? And we're going to talk about another meme that's sure to explode thanks to this news, right? Shanghai judge says cryptocurrencies is a commodity legal to own. So let me get this straight here. I need to think about this for a second. Didn't China ban the ownership of cryptocurrencies? And they said it was illegal to own cryptocurrencies. Yet it's just a virtual asset. So what they're saying here it's everybody's right to own cryptocurrencies if they choose to. Oh, wow. Who would have saw that coming? So, with that said, Chinese people love to gamble, right? And the judge in the People's Court of what's it, Songsangyang, I don't know, district in Shanghai, China, has released an article on the court's WeChat account about the legality of issuing cryptocurrency or virtual currencies in China. Ooh. Virtual commodity with property attributes. So, since they love to gamble, the meme coins, and if they open this up, man, the meme coins are going to go thermonuclear, including this one. Thermal. Here's why. Last night, I went to dinner with a bunch of, people who were big into crypto, and they were all well off in crypto. And guess what we were doing? Yes, if you are watching me closely, on X or wherever, yes, we were degenerating into all kinds of crap, right? It was like, we were like, oh yeah, let me get this. I forget what was it called. It was something peep, something, oh man, it was just nonsense, right? Absolute nonsense. And it went to zero, of course, but we were like going after one nonsense after another, just trying to play with the meme coins, right? And it was fun. It was fun, right? Everybody had fun. So imagine people jumping in to meme coins, the Chinese people jumping in. Oh my gosh. Wow. Crazy. The BTC price breaks through the 98K all-time, setting new all-time highs again. Whales are accumulating BTC. Yeah, no, really? No, I didn't know that. I guess that's why the price seems to be constantly going higher. Wow, who knew? Whales are accumulating Bitcoin and the price is going higher. All right, anyways. Let's continue here. We're seeing Bitcoin. It has a target, right? 100. I'm saying a target of 110. And you're like, well, wait a second. Didn't the title say that we're not passing the 99K? It was a question mark, right? Don't sell. Obviously, we could end up coming right back down to the 92. Just because there's a lot of people who are going to open up shorts just before the 100K, just to piss people off. Now, if they screw up, right, and the whales push them down, well, this is going to explode heavily, so higher. So let's see what happens. Looking at Ethereum still ready to blast off. Let's take a look at this. If you opened up this trade here that I showed you guys last time, you're doing extremely well. It was a perfect trade here. And look at this. You have a bigger target from here. If we would do an AB equals CD at least, right? You can say that we're targeting the 4K level. So you can actually hold this trade open all the way to the 4K. I think this is a safe bet to make, right? And you don't have to worry about losing your shirt. Looking at Solana's target is clear. We're talking the 270, and we can go a little bit beyond that to 280 and stuff like that. But don't get greedy. Solana has, let's see, we can probably go, let's see if this location, I think this is already targeted. If we go, oh darn, there we go. So that's what I thought. I would be careful. Solana is about to reverse here, could possibly reverse. This is a reversal pattern. If we stop here at the 270, it is a reversal pattern. So be careful. Solana could reverse all the way back down to this entry level, at the very least, at the 200, 240, and at the worst case scenario in this 220-ish area before we start running up again. So please be careful with your trades. Do not hold this open all the way, like higher, more higher than the 270. I would suggest you take profits. There's too many targeting points at that level. All right, so I told you what to do, right? When it comes to trading, right? Make sure that you do trade this, right? If you do take any of these trades, and you head over to Bybit.davincej15.com right now and make those trades. And if you close, and make sure you close off those trades at the right time, because hey, you don't want to lose money, right? Like I do with meme coins. All right, thanks for watching. Cheers.